For some Tuesday birthdays across the area, and we begin in Oswego with Adler Hookie celebrating birthday number 3, and this comes with love from Mom, Dad, and Big Bro. Happy 3rd birthday, Adler.
Adeline McDaniel turning 3 years old this year. Looks like she got the face paint on and everything there. Adeline is getting birthday love from Grandma, Papa, TT, and Uncle Bub.
And we've got Corbin Enders celebrating birthday number 4, the golden birthday over in Moran, Kansas. Happy birthday to you, Corbin.
All right, and in Columbus, because the party's always in the bus,
Always.
Scarlett Long is 7 strong this year. Look at her ready to party in that party dress.
Absolutely.
Love it.
We've also got Julissa Wright turning 9 years old. And this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Lacaria, Isaiah, Thaddeus, and Dan. Also, a very happy birthday to you, Julissa.
All right. And out in Hepler, Kansas, Heidi Mangarelli turning 9 years old this year. Happy birthday, Heidi.
And we've got Cadence Killebrew turning 16 in Baxter Springs. This comes with love from Nana. Very happy birthday to you, Cadence.
Macy Haley celebrating birthday number 17 this year. Macy is down in Miami.
And up in Pittsburgh, we've got Tucker Harrell celebrating birthday number 17 on the beach there. Hopefully he's able to make it back for this birthday. A very happy 17th birthday to you, Tucker.
All right, happy birthday, Tucker, and happy birthday to Kim Trowbridge, celebrating birthday number 30 this year. The big 3-0 for Kim in Chanute.
And over in Frontenac, we've got Lynette Downing celebrating birthday number 46. I love that photo. That's really cool. I like that. So, Lynette, a very happy birthday to you in Frontenac.
All right, Chris Kerr celebrating birthday number 48. Chris is out in Chanute.
And we've got Marcia Bure celebrating birthday number 68, also in Chanute. Looks like the party is in Chanute this year, or today.
Yeah.
Marcia Bure, very happy birthday to you.
That's what I would say. And in Parsons, Rita Horton celebrating 99 this year. Looking great there, Miss Rita. Happy birthday.
Our birthday list continues with Maggie Ann Jones celebrating birthday number 2 in Frontenac. Cheryl Haynes celebrating in Riverton. Daniel and Sonia Blackford celebrating their 18th wedding anniversary in Lamar. And Adam and Christy York celebrating anniversary number 14 in Lawton. Happy anniversary and birthday to you all.
All right, and if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can send them to us. It's easy. Just send a picture and all the info on when the birthday is and how old they are, and their name, please, first and last if you can, to birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com, or you can send it to birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And if you ever pay a visit to our website, which we know you do frequently, make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You can get some awesome deals from local vendors and a nice little birthday message from us. All you need to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today.